This is exactly how I have 87 monthly recurring revenue clients, and I just signed a client this morning alone. And yeah, these are all of my website hosting clients, 97, 497 and 297, 197. And because of this, I'm making £12,000 or $16,000 in monthly recurring revenue. And this is the exact business model which helped me to quit all of the odd jobs I've been doing a couple of years ago when I was cleaning toilets, mopping floors, and cleaning dirty plates. Right now, I'm traveling full time by making this monthly recurring revenue where I just have to set this up just for once, and I've been getting paid every single month, which with each and every clients I've been signing up inside my agency. And if you don't already know this, if you're new to this channel, I use Go High Level to deliver my services, and along with that, I'm actually using it for myself. That's the only reason you can see all of these booked meetings you are seeing inside. I'm making use of Go High Level's website, Go High Level's calendar booking, and Go High Level's automation to book all these meetings so that I can close them inside my agency. So after doing outreach where you promise your clients a free website and let them book the meeting with the help of your calendar booking or a funnel, and inside your first meeting, you will show the website which you have built for your clients for free. No, we are not going to build anything from scratch. All we are going to do is go inside your Go High Level account, select sites, click on websites, click on new website, and click on templates. And this is where you get to have lots and lots of different websites. For example, let's say we are going to provide our services to a plumbing business owner. And let's look at this website. There you go. It's a good looking website, and client agency will charge your clients for like 1,000 to 3,000 or 5,000 for this exact website. And before going inside the meeting, you're not going to do anything. You're just going to change the logo of this site. For that, what you're going to do is go inside Canva and search for plumbing logo, and voila, you have all different plumbing logos. Just click any of them. For example, let's say this, and just change this name with respect to your client's business name. I'm pretty sure you would have got access to their business name while you're doing the outreach. Just change the name and download this logo without the background and slap it on this website. That's all you're going to do. And when you're going inside the meeting, you're going to show the clients that, okay, this is your website with your own logo. Are you happy? They will be happy because you are saving them $2,000 to $3,000 or even $5,000 on a set of fees, which you're giving it for free. And they have already seen the website, which they can pay for it. Usually what the web designer do, they go on the call, and the only reason to them being on the call is to get money out of the clients, which is going to be scammy and salesy. And on the other hand, you are going in and you mentioning, I've already built you a website and it's free. All you had to do is come inside the meeting and have a look at it. If you like the website, I can connect it and you can keep it for free. And during the call, you do have to mention that, okay, the website is free, but anyway, you have to pay for the hosting fees. It doesn't matter if you're working with me or if you're working with an agency or you're building your own website, you have to pay for the hosting fee. Just like you have to pay for the domain name. So the client will understand what you're trying to say. And inside the first meeting, you will get the hosting fee before even connecting the domain name. And yeah, your client will be asking you to, like, for example, changing the name or changing the colors of the website. You will do it, but only after getting the hosting fees, which is going to be your safety deposit. So after getting the hosting fees for the first month, you're going to change all these things the same day, and you're going to have another call on the second day, and you're going to show the fully built website, and your client is going to be happy, and you're going to get access to the domain name, connect the domain name, and you can even make use of Go High Level. For example, when you click on the question mark and click on Start Zoom, you can have a Zoom call with the Go High Level expert, and he will help you set up everything. If it comes for domain name, the automation, reputation management, anything, AI chatbot or AI employee, which you already have inside Go High Level, the technical support team will help you set it up for you. So when you look at it, you're doing the outreach and getting the client, and the service delivery part is taken care of the Go High Level team, where you don't have to pay them anything. It's free. They will be working for you for free. And you're getting paid every single month just because this guy helped you set up this for the first time. If you want to copy paste my entire system just by one click, the system which I'm personally using to bring in $15,000 in monthly recurring revenue every single month, and I'll be teaching you how to outreach the client, how to close the client, and how to deliver the service as quick as possible and start stacking your monthly recurring revenue. And I'll even jump on the weekly coaching calls to answer all of your questions, and I'll help you to get more clients in a matter of days or weeks. You don't need to figure out what to sell or who to sell it to. Everything is done for you. If you just want to copy my entire system and start making monthly recurring revenue, then click the first link in the description and you will get the entire system totally for free. And if you think this is not a good business model, and if you still bitch and cry about people making money, I'm sorry to say you are not gonna make money. I've been getting lots of comments and DMs, and it's turning into like hate comments and hate DMs, mentioning I'm a scammer and this is not a good business model. And the only reason I'm getting these clients is because I'm doing free work. Brother, I showed you my Stripe account, and I also have sales calls inside my YouTube, and all the information and all the outreach, you can find it inside my community. And people are actually getting clients. All the people inside my community are making money. What else do you want to see? The people who have excuses and these kinds of like weird things coming out of their mouth inside my comment section and DM, those are the people who never make any money, and they will be stuck on their 9 to 5 until they'll die. Yeah, I don't want to talk about these stuff. Lately, I've been getting lots of these kinds of messages and comments, and it's kind of pissing me off, even though I'm taking it chill. So yeah, I'm not gonna get too much about this. Yeah, if you still have any issues with my strategy and the way I'm making money, where I'm traveling and you are not, where I'm self-employed, you are not, and yeah, I'm making money, you're not, so fuck you. If you still think this is not a good business model, let me just show you. Plumbing in London. And let's go to Google My Business page. And you just have to scroll down and you can find businesses. There you go. Smith Plumbing and Heating. He just have the direction, no website. And he actually have 80 reviews. And there you go. You have a phone number right here. You can just give them a cold call and use this exact script. Hello?
Hello,
Is it Lens Plumbing?
it is.
Yeah, I wasn't sure if you guys were open. You're still open and doing services, right?
What is it you want done, sir?
Yeah, so believe it or not, I actually went ahead and built you a free website. I was just looking like 10-15 minutes for a video call. I can show you the website. If you like the website, you can actually have it for free.
You're giving me a website for free?
Yes, in exchange of reviews. If I'll be getting reviews from you, and I'll give you a website for free.
Well, if you're going to give me it for free, I accept.
Yes, let me know when you're free. I can show you the website in a video call. If you liked it, I can connect it to your domain and you can get it for free.
How'd you show me?
On a video call, like on a Google Meet.
Google Meet?
Yes, or Zoom, whichever you want. Like I can even do like a WhatsApp video call to show you the website.
So when do we meet?
Let me know when you're free. I can send you the link for the call, and I can show you the website.
Oh, I've got to get a link.
Oh yeah, I'll send you the link, and we will hop on a video call, and I will share you my screen because the website is in my software. It's not live yet. If you send me your domain details, I can connect it to your website and make it live.
I haven't got a website.
You've got a website.
I haven't got one.
Yes. Do you have a domain name for your business?
I have a main link.
Like a domain name, like lensplumbing.com?
Oh no.
Okay, it's no worries. I'll let you know how to purchase a domain name, and I can connect it to the website, and you can have the website. So if you had a website, you can actually rank your search list on top. At the moment, you are below like 10th list on Google My Business page, and you have like 4 reviews. It can improve your online presence.
I'll take your word for it.
Sorry, mate, I couldn't hear you.
I will take your word for it.
Absolutely.
Through my reviews.
Absolutely, it's a win-win. You are getting a free website, and I'm getting some reviews so that I can get some clients in the future.
Mm-hmm.
So let me know when you're free. We can do a video call, and I can show you the website.
Well, I mean, past 4 or 5 o'clock today.
Yes, that would be nice. I will give you a call at 5.
Okay.
Thanks, mate.
What's your name?
My name is Goutham.
Gordon.
Have you seen the Batman movie, like the Gotham City?
No.
Yeah, that's my name, Goutham.
Oh, Gotham.
Yes.
Gotcha.
Yeah, that's my name.
Okay. I look forward to it. Bye-bye.
Bye. See you soon.
And yes, you can close clients with this exact strategy. Just go inside Google, search for the niche and the location you're targeting, and find the businesses who don't have a website, and get the phone number and just give them a call by this script. Or if you don't like doing cold calling, we do have Facebook group outreach, Instagram DMs, and straight away like walk-ins. So the best option you would like is the Facebook group outreach and Instagram DM, where you can get to have like bunch of different bookings without even too much effort. For the sake of this video, I'm not going to show all the scripts and strategy I'm using myself for my business, because I don't want to lose more clients. Where when everyone started doing my outreach strategy, maybe 3-4 months ago, when I started posting my whole strategy, everything blew chunks. I stopped getting clients. So the reason why you are not seeing YouTubers showing their actual strategy, they may say that this is the actual strategy. No way in hell, if a guy is making his money from his business, he's not going to show his strategy, because he will lose money in his own business. Either he's a scammer, or he's making money from his coaching business. The reason why I'm not showing it, because I'm actually doing this for my own business, so I don't want to lose money. But still, if you want to make use of the strategy, I can help few people who are inside my community. Link is in the description. And it's not just working with the businesses who don't have a website. For example, let's click on Easy Plumbing, who do have a website. Let's see how their website looks. And as you can see, this is not a good looking website at all. It's not just about the looks. It's not going to convert viewers into leads and leads into clients. So these are another type of business owners we can reach out to sell our services. So you can literally see there's another businesses who don't have a website. And if you start clicking inside each and every different website, you can see lots and lots of people who want our services, and they're willing to pay for the services, because people can pay 47 to 97 for the website hosting fee, compared to 1,000 to 2,000 for the first setup fee, which we are waiving. That's the main reason we are doing it. And it's not just the people who don't have a website, and if they do have a website or outdated website, we can also target the people who have a good looking website, but just 15 reviews, which is not a good way to have your Google My Business page. So for that, what we can do is we can sell this reputation management or a review automation, where if their leads send let's say 2-star review, it's not going to send them to their Google My Business page where they don't have the access to give their negative review. In exchange, we will say, sorry to hear that you are not satisfied. Please provide us with the feedback and we will do our best to improve. 2 things will be happening over here. We are negating the negative reviews and we are only giving the positive reviews to our clients' Google My Business page, which is going to increase their ranking on the top. So when people are looking for like plumbers near me, this guy with the higher rating will show up. So it's going to be helpful for your client. And on top of it, if they have any negative reviews, they will get this form filled up and they will get access to our own mobile app, where this is connected straight to their mobile app and they get to see, okay, this is not working for us, so we have to change. So it's helping them in 2 different ways. But if the lead is trying to send a 5-star review or even 4-star review, only these 2 is sent to the Google My Business page. So let's see, 4-star review and voila. And this is where your client's customer will leave them a review. Just click on the 5-star and share their opinion. This is the most simplest business model if you want to start and scale with the monthly recurring revenue, where you don't have to stress about, oh my God, how am I going to get clients for the next month? How am I going to pay my rent? And that's the only reason I picked this exact business model. The fact that I was cleaning toilets a couple of years ago and I'm traveling right now and I'm planning to go to Colombia in a few months, it's just because this business model. And in this video, I've just gone through the overview of this business. And if you want to have access to all the outreach script, closing script, all the systems I'm using to bring in all the meetings and closing those clients, I do have everything inside my community. And I also have a weekly meeting with you guys where I can show you and talk to you and answer all of your questions. So yeah, I'm not trying to sell you anything. If you want some help, I'm here to help. And I hope you got some value out of this video. If you like these kinds of videos, try to like and subscribe. We are so close to monetizing our channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.